Oh ma douce souffrance, pourquoi s'acharner, tu recommences.
If you understand the language Hindi and are into comedy and stuff, then do check out my comedy channel, where I post skits and roast video, Mr. H. Link on the screen and description box below. Before starting the tutorial, download these files from the link in the description box below. Once the file is downloaded, import it into your Filmora. Now at first, go to the Titles tab into the Titles section and choose this default title and put it into the timeline. Now double click on the title and write your own text and adjust the font and everything as per your liking. Once that is done, take this footage video and put it above the title. And then simply double click on the video and change its compositing to multiply. Now if I play, then you can see that we can see our stylized effect. Well, to make it more interesting, let's put both the file one track above, and then going into the samples color, let's choose this gray gradient and put it below the clips. Now you see that gray is too much. So let's adjust the color and exposure of the gradient. And once it is done, let's see the result. Now it looks better. But you know what? Let's make it a bit more interesting by adding an image and adjusting it according to our video. And after everything is sorted out, let's see the final result. Now it looks much more interesting. Okay, now we have more portions in the video. You can also use them in a continuous series if you want to, or you can just use a one part. It is your choice. So guys, what are your thoughts on this video? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you think that this video is worthwhile, then hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can able to bring amazing videos just like this for you. Till then, see you later.